Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the review of the Puma Unisex Cell Vive intake running shoe. As fitness trainers, performance and comfort are your top priorities. Discover how these shoes can elevate your training sessions with a perfect blend of style, durability, and functionality. The Cell Vive intake's sleek design is expertly crafted for both men and women. Weighing just 700 grams, these shoes offer optimal comfort without compromising on performance. Inside, a cushioned sole supports long training days, reducing foot fatigue and enhancing your overall experience. Equipped with a rugged outsole, these shoes ensure unmatched grip across multiple surfaces, crucial for dynamic workouts. Whether you're sprinting or jumping, maintain stability and confidence with each step. Puma's innovative technology ensures you don't have to pause your fitness journey due to gear inefficiencies. The competitive pricing makes them an attractive investment for trainers focused on quality and value. The durable construction assures that they withstand the test of time, offering long-term benefits for your routines. The Cell Vive intake shoes have garnered positive feedback for their excellent fit and robustness. Users praise them for delivering a comfortable training experience and note the substantial traction provided by the well-designed outsole. Act fast. Only one pair is left in stock. This shoe's popularity among fitness enthusiasts makes it a sought-after treasure. Don't miss the chance to secure yours now before they run out. Experience firsthand why fitness trainers trust Puma for their demanding workout needs. Take action today and redefine your fitness regimen with the Puma Unisex Cell Vive intake running shoe. Visit the link in the description below to make an informed decision. Embrace quality, comfort, and style that elevates your professional training sessions. Your ultimate training companion awaits.